So about the crushed shells in the Makita batteries, I will do an experiment. I will fill this case with cells and dummies. Now these are completely dead cells, so they will not burn up, but I wanted to have something fragile in the corners, and these are 1850 dummies. You'll be able to tell if any of them had cracks or similar. I will insert some cells here in the middle to add some weight. Put a PCB on here just to make it look good. I will drop this battery from around 3 or 4 meters and see if the cell holders and the cell dummies inside take damage while the outer case is intact. I believe this is ABS plastic, it doesn't really say, but that's the most common black plastic that I know of. It does say PC, which is polycarbonate, so it might not be ABS. It might be a more flexible plastic. This one also says PC. I will make it as genuine as I can. But let's have the spring and 4 screws. Now it still feels kind of heavy, so this might be enough. Nice. So now we're as high as I'm willing to go. We're about 4 meters over the ground. And I don't know what that is in freedom units, but maybe you can figure that out. And I will drop my Makita battery, and I will drop it 3 times. Yeah, that really hurt. It sounds like something broke off, but it's intact. 2 more times. Yeah, it's still intact. So this last time I will throw it and add a bit of force. It doesn't feel good doing that. Nothing is broken yet. So let's have a look inside. Well, I never did double check that those cells were actually completely dead. It's amazing that the case still holds up with no cracks. Oh, here we have. The other batteries might have been dropped from far higher up. You know, like 10, 15, 20 meters or so. But there is damage to the cell holder. But nothing visible on the case. And it is a bit flexible. So that's my idea for an experiment. So I think it's definitely possible. The cells inside got crushed while the outer case is still intact. The outer case is a lot thicker than the cell walls in here. But crushing an 18650 is no easy feat, and they are really tight up against the edges, especially these bottom ones. And depending on how you drop it, this side seems way more unlikely since it has 2 screws, but these ones are more aligned in the center. So dropping on the edge here probably possible. Yeah, I might do further experiments in the future, but this was pretty fun. So I might do it again, but only to dead batteries.